Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with this analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this was an uptrend before, but after getting to this resistance, it wasn't able to break out from there. So it's delayed at this point for a while, and that's why I had to draw out all this trend line to know when the breakout will really happen. And of course, it's happened, and you can see how it sells. And of course, it sold for a very long time, and it's still selling. Okay, we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is going to give us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course this had been on uptrend for a while, so I had to pull this trend line to know when it will be break out from this trend line fully, because that is when I believe it's going to sell for a while. Okay, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, because it has gone back to to this resistance zone, and let's see if it will break out above this particular one. Okay, so this is very, very important. So for now, this is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. And once it breaks out below the trend line, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. It started an uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this point. And of course, we expect more of a selling opportunity right from here. Okay, so we expect more selling right from here. So this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it's not going to sell. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. I'll actually give a signal on this because this should be on uptrend, but it didn't go too far before turning back. Okay, they even activate my opening, my entry points before it turned back. Okay, so that is how markets behave sometimes. So right now it is selling. Okay, so we expect it to sell till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, sorry about that. Till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, this particular spot. Okay, so if it breaks out below this, then it will be coming down to this particular region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on uptrend for a while, tried to go on downtrend, but didn't go beyond this. Okay, sometimes markets behave that way. Okay, it went back up again to try out the resistance zone. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it means it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back down again and try out a downtrend again. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, so this is very, very important. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.